Are aftermarket motorcycle exhausts legal? If you are a motorcycle enthusiast, you might be curious about the legality of aftermarket motorcycle exhausts. This is a hot topic in the motorcycle community, especially when it comes to sound laws and advocacy. So, let's break it down. Aftermarket motorcycle exhausts are not automatically illegal. Their legality hinges on whether they comply with federal, state, and local regulations regarding noise and emissions. At the federal level, the Environmental Protection Agency and the Department of Transportation set standards that these exhaust systems must meet to be street legal. One key point to remember is that exhausts that remove or alter the factory installed catalytic converter or exceed noise limits typically violate Environmental Protection Agency regulations. This makes them illegal for use on public roads. In states like California, the rules get even stricter. The California Air Resources Board requires exhaust systems to be certified to be legal for street use. This means if you are in California, you need to ensure your aftermarket exhaust is California Air Resources Board certified. Noise regulations vary widely across different states, many requiring motorcycles to have a functioning muffler or sound dissipative device that matches the original equipment manufacturer standards. Laws often prohibit muffler cutouts or bypasses that increase noise beyond factory levels. Noise limits are often measured in decibels at specific engine speeds. Common limits range from 80 to 100 decibels, but enforcement can be inconsistent. Some jurisdictions allow law enforcement to issue citations based on subjective noise judgments, which complicates compliance. Manufacturers do produce aftermarket exhausts that are compliant with Environmental Protection Agency or California Air Resources Board standards, making them legal for street use. However, many loud aftermarket exhausts marketed for competition or off-road use only are not legal for street use. These systems must be labeled accordingly and are intended for closed course or off-road motorcycles. For riders, the best advice is to check local laws before installing an aftermarket exhaust. Using a system that complies with noise and emissions standards helps avoid fines, equipment violations, or issues during vehicle inspections. Being mindful of noise levels also respects community noise ordinances and reduces the risk of enforcement action. In essence, aftermarket motorcycle exhausts can be legal if they meet all applicable noise and emissions regulations. Riders should seek exhaust systems that are certified for street use and avoid modifications that remove emissions controls or excessively increase noise. This way, you can enjoy your ride while staying within the legal framework designed to protect the environment and community peace.